Welcome guys. Let's do Cosmos technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end because in this video I am going to show you my targets, immediate short-term target, long-term and target of this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. Current rank of Cosmos is 20 and the price of the Cosmos is $36 right now. And let me please show you some statistics. Market cap of Cosmos is $8 billion. That is very good. And volume, 24-hour trading volume of Cosmos is $1.1 billion. That is very good. Circulating supply of Cosmos is just 222 million, which is very small. And total supply of Cosmos is just 279 million. That is also very low. That is why this token has very bright future. Let me please show you some. Here you can see, and let me please show you. On 15th of March 2029, price of the Cosmos was just $7, and after that price goes to $45 near about. Let me please show you all-time high and let me please show you all-time low of this token. This is the all-time high of this token was on September 20, 2021, about now 9 days ago, and the price was $44. And all-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, about 2 years ago, and the price was just $1.13. And Cosmos return on investment is 463%. That is a good return on investment. It is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Huobi, KuCoin, Gate.io, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message and these links. This is the Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get $710 bonus absolutely free. You can get 1200 Fimex bonus absolutely free, Bybit $1600 bonus absolutely free, and you can also get KuCoin bonus also free. Let me please show you the Cosmos website. This is the Cosmos website. The Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos is ever expanding ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for decentralized futures. You can build your own app and some other important internet services they are providing. Enter a new universe of connected services. 255 apps and 99 billion plus dollar plus market, and that is good. Here you can see, visit this website by your own. Let me please show you technical analysis. Cosmos fees of the transaction is very low, just 1 cent only, and fast transaction, it takes only 7 seconds to complete the transaction. Let me please show you my first chart. This is Cosmos USDT pair 4 hourly chart, and it is in this symmetrical triangle. And here you can see this is upper trend line, this is down trend line, this is the support line, this is the support line. And here you can see after every touch price bounce back, after every touch price bounce back, and after every touch price bounce back towards upside. And after every time when price touches this line, it acts like a resistance. Now what is the target? According to the pattern, if it move, let me please consider it. If it break towards upside, in that case, our target will be like this. Let me please mark label on this. $55 price area, and if unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case I think this will be the worst scenario. Price can go very low. In that case, price can go down to $18 price zone. These are breakout and breakdown targets. This is the major support zone, and this is the major support zone too. And this is the all-time high. Let me please mark this. This is the all-time high on this chart, and this is Binance chart, $44.95. Once it break this symmetrical triangle towards downside, in that case there is a big spot is at $29.80. After that $19.88. This is the second spot. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, I have to show you EMA ribbon. Candles break 4 hourly EMA ribbon towards downside. Once candle break this $38 price, and after that close 4 hourly candle above this zone, $38 price zone, in that case new rally of the upside will start. We have to wait until breakout or breakdown will come. Maybe we may see sideways action like this, and after that it will take direction, maybe like this, maybe like this. But most of the chances are that price can go up, price can go high. This is my prediction. And let me please show you some other indicators. First of all, let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. That is very, very unfortunate. Once breakout or breakdown comes, in that case we need that kind of strong volume towers. And let me please show you my next chart. This is daily chart. This is the trend line and main trend line. Here you can see in previously price action, this line act as a resistance line, and after breaking this, Cosmos was moving parabolically, but unfortunately after hitting $45 price zone, price is now again retesting this support zone as well as the trend line. This trend line is now turned a major support zone, because every time when price touches this zone, price goes down. Here you can see, sorry for that. Let me please mark this. Here you can see. Previously this line was acting like a resistance line. Once it broke this, here you can see, now this line is acting as a support for the Cosmos. Here you can see price goes down, and after that price suddenly move towards the upside, and here you can see this area is very, very important. Once Cosmos hold this area, in that case next target is this area, $38 price zone. Let me please mark this. This is our minimum target, first target you can say, and second target will be this area, $41, and third target will be this area, $44 to $45 price zone. These are immediate short-term targets that may hit within some days, I think so. And let me please remove some drawings. Please do me favor, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, because in this video, in this channel, I upload daily technical analysis of different altcoins as well as Bitcoin technical analysis. Now let me please add some support levels. This is the major support level, and let me please mark this. This is the major support level, and it is at this zone 26, and this is these are two major support zone for the Cosmos. And once price broke this area, in that case price has very, very strong zone, support zone, and it is at $26 price zone. And after that this zone, this is also a very important zone, and it is at this zone $17, but I don't think price can go down to hit this level. I think price will move definitely towards the upside. And let me please show you some indicators. Let me please show you first of all EMA ribbon. Here you can see this EMA ribbon indicates that price is ready to move towards upside, because here you can see it is still bullish, and after breaking $12 price area, it is still in this uptrend, and it is the move of like 250%. And now candles are still in this EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. Once candles break this EMA ribbon and close daily candle closing below $26 price zone, this will be the indication that we may see some difficulties in price and price can go down. Let me please hide this and let me please arrange this chart, and let me please show you some fib retracement levels. According to the fib retracement tool, it is in between 0.38 to 0.23 level, and it is the golden pocket. If it touch $30 price area and it is at 0.38 Fibonacci level, it has major support. After that, this area is also having very important support, and it is at 0.5 fib retracement, and it is $26 price zone. After that, 0.61, and price can go down to $22, maybe $20.98, and after that, this is the worst case, 0.78 Fibonacci level, price can go down to $15. In any case, if price breaks $17, in that case I will be very bearish. Until now I am bullish. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you my next chart. This chart is very important, because in this chart I will show you a beautiful pattern, and this will decide the target. This is weekly a chart, Atom USDT pair, and here you can, this is called broadening bottom pattern. Here you can see wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D, and after that wave E, and after that we have to consider the length of these two supporting lines, support and resistance lines, and after that price may be some show some consolidation, and after that we see a massive move, and after that we see a breakout, and after that retesting this zone, and it is ready to hit the target. Let me please show you. And here you can see this is wave A, this is wave B, this is wave C, this is wave E, and this is a D, and this is wave E. And now here you can see breakout have to come once it here you can see the consolidation period as mentioned in this video. Here you can see this is the consolidation period, and after that we have to take the length of this broadening bottom. Let me please consider it. And once it broke this, and in that case our next target will be, it can easily hit $80 price zone, $79 to $80 price zone, because this area is very important. It have to hold this area. Once it holds this area and it is at this zone, $29 price area, $29 to $30 price area, this area is very important. Once it holds this, in that case this breakout will give us a target, and it is $79 to $80 price area. And let me please show you my target of this bull run. But before this I have to show you the main indicator, CPR indicator, and I have to show you this indicator perfectly in daily chart. That is why we are going again in daily chart. Let me please show you CPR levels. These are CPR levels, and these are major CPR levels starting from $18 to $21 price area. This is CPR target 1, this is CPR target 2, and this is CPR target 3. These are monthly CPR targets, and this is also a major support zone, because these main CPR levels is major support for this coin, and maybe price can retest this, but price have to hold this. Once price hold this, in that case it can again hit this target, but I don't think so. I think so price have to hold $28 to $30 price area, and once it hold this area, in that case it is ready to hit $80 price area. This is my prediction, guys, and this is long-term target. Maybe it will take some time, maybe 1 month or 2 months. We have to wait. And now let me please show you the target of this bull run. For this I have to took this tool, fib retracement trend tool, and after that I have to measure the target. The target is this area, 4.2 Fibonacci level, and it is at $130 price area. But my target for this bull run is this area, 150 to $200 price area, and this is my target for this bull run. Price can be moved in between this area, maybe 150, maybe 160, maybe 180, but my target for this bull run is in between this area, and this is my target. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and please show me your support and share this video with your friends. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $1,600 bonus, and KuCoin $100 bonus, the links are available in this video's description. You have to do only one thing. Go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your account with my links. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.